So coming through this bush is gonna be a hell of a hike. I'm gonna try to get up, follow this tree, this root. It's a fight. They smell stink, everything. But don't give up on me as yet. I'm through the bush, holding on all the trees. I'm coming up. You know, we're in the thick rainforest and I smell like the forest. Just, you don't want to smell like the forest because the forest smells bad, really bad, like 100%. Whoa! Damn it! I nearly end up down there and more of the stink water fell on. So now I smell twice as bad. Whew. I just slip. I'm seeing the road. Now in the dry season, it's a little easier to climb. So in the dry season, I guess I'll be able to do this. But right now, it's a rainy season and there's no way in. Whew. Where did I come from? Should I go up or should I go down? Actually, it looks like an easier path down there. When you see an easier path, I always take the easier path because I'm all about this. Reaching back to where I came from, safe. And if it's easy, then chances of me reaching back are higher. So remember, you gotta be careful what you grab. There are things to stick you. You might be falling and grab a tree and that will be the end of your hands, right? If you're falling and you grab a tree, that might be the end of your hands. Oh, look at this way down. It's a hell of a way down. You don't want to fall there. So I think I took the wrong way though. Yeah, easy ways are never the best ways, because now I'm going to go over there and I don't have anywhere to go. So I took the easy way. I have to backtrack or maybe make my way up. Let me see, backtrack or make my way up. Listen, I hate to go back. When you go black, you don't go back. But this time I have to go back. Sorry, I'm not about that life. Ooh, check this out. Look at that. You see these pickers on these things foraging? You gotta be careful. You just grab something and before you know it, look a whole big tree. I took an easy way out, but this time I'm gonna back. I'm videotaping my whole experience here, guys. Come on. I wish I should have had a body camera, but I have this thing in my hands, so I'm climbing with one hand, and it's no easy task to climb with one hand, people. If you think it's easy to climb with one hand, then rotten wood. You see, I just grabbed onto a tree and it was rotten, and I mean, look at the rocks here that we're dealing with. These are loose rocks. One wrong move and you bite the dust. Even with the right moves, you are having water from these trees falling in. So this tree, it keeps water, and that water smells stink. No, I lie, it doesn't smell stink. It smells really stink. Oh, look at this. This is something you'll grab. You think it's a vine and you'll grab it, but when you grab it, whew, you'll be grabbing pain, and a lot of pain that is. It's the only one like that that's fast. I think I just came to one. Where the hell am I? I might have taken a wrong. Oh, I might be lost. This looks like a track. Hold on a second. There might actually be a way down this place that I didn't see from before. Where did I come from before? I don't know, but as I tell you, If it's easy, I'll make an attempt. And it doesn't look that bad. Right, I'm gonna that's a big downhill though. I'm going for it. I am going for it. Problem is to get down there. Ooh, looks like I'm gonna fall off a bank when I reach down. But hey, you can't know unless you try. Ooh. Thank goodness I don't see a snake as yet. Ooh. This route is giving way. Oh. You see, when I come on a hike by myself, these are the things I do. Oh. Something just came along the back there like a snake on me. I thought it was a snake for a second, but it's not. These are the things I do. Oh, that's a big ass drop. Hell no, I won't be able to make that drop, people. That's a drop, definitely. Alright, there must be a way out. Woo! You have a big drop there? You have a big drop there? Alright. I'm coming. Woo! Ah, shit. Yeah. So yeah, as I was saying. So we are definitely this is as hard as I have to record it now. We're going to be climbing down this steep slope. We're going to be climbing down this steep slope to try to get down to the bottom there. There are trees, so you have to move down there. The trees, the roots, and hold on to the roots as you go down. Try not to grab anything rotten, because you're gonna find yourself tumbling downhill pretty fast. Whew. Yeah. And I am, whoo, I think those trees are super duper thin. Whew. So I'm down back. I think so. At least down to this point. And reunited with my team, which is all this is my team. Well, people, I smell like a garbage truck. Alright, so this is a waterfall that a lot of people have never seen ever before. One of a kind. To get to it, you have to be an advanced hiker, because it's no easy thing, and I have to trudge through bush. You have to be willing. Your skin cannot be sensitive. It's a hard fall to get to, but it's pretty nice. See that? People don't ever come to this one, and the good thing about it, there are falls even higher than this that people don't know. People have never seen before. This one is situated in Bloody Bay, and it is far beyond the one that everyone probably would have, hunters would have come to. This one I had to go through thick forage, bush, and these mountain sides. These slides, I had to climb past these things to get to here. There are no tracks to get to this one. This one is for the experienced person only. Nobody else. Just experience. And there are at least two other waterfalls above this that I had the privilege to go up to back in the day. I passed on this side and I went up to two other waterfalls. Today it's quite mossy. I won't take I won't go now because I have someone down there, but if I was alone, I definitely would have taken you up to see the other two waterfalls. Beauty. Woo! As I told you, hidden waterfalls, Tobago. Only place you're gonna see that is with me. Check that beauty. Woo!